Guys, if you really got I won't say a little bit of time, you can soak your wood, some of your wood. Don't soak all your wood. Soak some of your wood in water, and it's going to make it smoke a whole lot more. All right, looks like we're about to shift gears here. Definitely got a good fire going. Some of that stuff's starting to turn white, so it's about perfect. Back it out a little bit. All right, let's do this. Shut the lid and let her cook. About 6 hours later, you're gonna have some super awesome smoked food. So let me get started here. So keep in mind, if you make the cuts any bigger or any smaller, it's going to change your cook time. So at about 200 degrees, you got about 5 hours with this size. 5 hours-ish. Alright, set the timer for about 5.5 hours-ish. Lucky for you guys, through the magic of editing, 6 hours will be a snap. Five hours of intense grilling action. Yeah, I'm gonna need a snack. And it's a pro tip. Probably wouldn't hurt to grab a pack of sausage to throw on the grill. You're definitely gonna need to keep that energy up. Let's do this. About 10 mics, dinner time. Oh, that's just about perfect. She hissing. Oh yeah. Get those dark grill marks. Matter of fact, I can turn her down because she is warm. Coals cooked down a lot. Time to reload.
guys can see the fats rolling off of that. There it goes. It's money right there. Tell the difference between the seasoned, the applewood seasoned, that were pre-seasoned. Water. You ever touch boiling water? Don't do that. For those of you watching in the audience at home, laughing at me for my stupid mistakes, make sure you have a fork or some other utensil so that you don't burn yourself. And this cooking tip is brought to you by 52 Miles to Disney. Sponsored today by the letter S for stupid. So that was stupid. Well, it looks like we're doing pretty good. Won't be long now. All right, so you can kind of see what we got going on here. If you over add the charcoal, later you'll fight over temp issues. It just gets too hot. So don't put too much charcoal in there. Just put a little bit, a little wood to make it smoke, and you'll be in business. Hey guys, I'd like to call these my 5-hour tacos. Happy Memorial Day. Dude, let's go. Are they done yet? Probably not, because it's going to take about 6 hours. Back to the regularly scheduled programming. Need more smoke. Nope, still not done. Not yet.
Yay!